how to fix blurry story on Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on media. Now inside media, make sure that the video quality is on optimized, not on data server. So what happens is, if your video is on data, then if you are in low data, then your Facebook story comes out blurry. So make sure that it is turned on or it is on optimized. So after that, simply restart your device. Sometimes simple restarting your device can help resolve temporary issues with data serving as well. So that is it guys. By following these steps, you should be able to address the issue of a blurry story on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.